welcome back to the channel. Today you'll see how I made my smiling Stan. I've speeded up the video a bit this time so that it's not a long drawn out 45-minute video like the last one ended up being. Do apologise about that. Okay, so I'm using a latex and cotton wool base where I build up the basics of the mouth, what I'm wanting it to look like. So I just keep building up cotton wool and latex until I get the desired look that I'm after. What I have done, I have keyed the kit beforehand. So by keying, I mean just sanded it down a little bit around the mouth, so that it gets the so it adheres to the kit properly, and you don't get anything breaking off then. So it's a constant build up of latex and cotton wool. So just giving the depth to the mouth now and trying to figure out which teeth I'm going to use. So I do end up painting the red on the mouth here, but I end up going over it. It was just to get an idea of how it's actually going to look. So you do see I've gone back over the paintwork there. The teeth are just all placed in. It's a very quick video. I do apologise. I missed videoing the teeth. So here I'm putting on the black cheesecloth. So it's cheesecloth with starch so that the fabric hardens. A bit of adhesive spray glue as well there. And there he is, smiling Stan. So thanks for tuning in again. I'm just getting to grips with editing the videos, so I will master it at some point. Thanks very much for all your support, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.